Hello guys, I want to teach how to format text that is copied from external sources to Microsoft Word. If you have watched my previous video, the latest one I made earlier this year, you understand why I'm making this video. I have promised that I'm going to show how to properly format text that are copied from external sources to Microsoft Word. So I'm going to show that with example. I don't want to really waste time. This video should not be more than 5 minutes. So just let's go straight to practical. So for instance, let me Google something. All right. So for instance, I was googling what is simulation. Okay. Now after googling, I have seen different sites like Wikipedia, the Knowledge Academy like this. So depending on which one you want, assuming I want to open the one given by this built-in, right? So I will click it, and then if I'm reading through and this particular site gives me exactly what I want, and I don't want to be looking at it and be typing, I just want to copy everything the way it is, go to Microsoft Word, edit it and use it maybe for personal use, for whatever use you want to. So my purpose is just to show you how to format it. So what I will do is I will just select, let me select everything so that I'll have enough things to format. Okay, so that is where I want to stop my selection. So what I will do, I will just copy is Control C, or I think if you right click you see copy, right? Just copy it. Now you go to Microsoft Word, you load your Microsoft Word. Okay, and then what you do is Control V, that is paste, or there is a paste icon here, this, just paste it. And now you can see how the whole thing is scattered, right? Okay, first thing first, we don't need this picture. You can just, this one is easy, you can just click and delete. We don't need this one, you can click and delete, right? Now there is something you should observe around this computer simulation definition, around this place. If you look at it very well, you will see a background color, which there is no way I can remove it by editing. You cannot click that background or you cannot remove it. I don't know if you can see it around this point. Let me see if I can draw something so that you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. Let me use this part, that part. If you look at it, you see that there is something is darker than every other. There is a background color right there. Let me delete the one I drew. So how do you now remove this? Because assuming maybe you want to print it out, or maybe you want to present and you don't want somebody to know that this thing was actually copied somewhere. You don't want the graphics. Let me just generally don't want the graphics to show in your document. How do you do it? Okay, so another thing you should observe is that you see there are some words that are underlined and colored. Okay, there are some words that are on, and you don't want those underlined to show. And normally you can just select, click underline, but if you are doing it singly, you do it at every word that is underlined, is going to be tedious. And also for color, all these ones that have colors, if you want to select one by one to remove the colors, it's going to be tedious. So what we'll do is just select all, that is Control A, select all like this. What you do is go to this home menu and you see this, and under the ribbon you see style here, styles. You click, you drop down, and then you see clear formatting. Now once you click clear formatting, everything is gone. Now you can use your own format. How do we do it? Just, if you are using Times Roman, just click Times Roman, use your font size, just justify it, and maybe what else? Okay, to remove the line, just underline twice, click underline twice and it's gone. To remove the colors, just click on automatic. All the colors are gone, and you can see a very neat work now. It might be easy here because of the site I copy this thing from. There's some site that you copy things from, their formatting is so strict that it's very difficult for you to do simple deleting and formatting. You still have to use this style I'm showing you by clearing the former format, now doing your own format. I hope this this video helps. Thank you for watching. Bye.